Okay, this is how to remove the rear seats in the Hyundai Tucson. This is a 2022 model. Most of them are going to be the exact same way. So you're going to use a trim removal piece or a flathead screwdriver, anything to just kind of pop that. I just don't want to scratch it. As you can see, I've taken off the others. Now, funny enough, these are labeled with a 12 on them, but it's actually a 13 that I was able to, or no, what is this, a 14 even, to get on it. Now, this is incredibly torqued, so you're gonna feel like you're breaking it, but you won't. So I'll show you kind of how torqued it is, if I can even get it from this angle. There we go. And that will break free. Now you're gonna completely remove these bolts, and that will allow you, if you want to lift up the seats, I'll show you that here in just a second, or there'll be some bolts, I'll show you that as well, in the back that you can remove if you want to completely remove the seats clean. So there's 4 bolts. There's going to be 2 for the left seat, 1 in the middle, and then 1 on the right. Okay, once you've taken out both of these bolts, the seat will just lift up, and then you can access underneath it to clean it. Now you should have everything, you should have access to everything that you'd want to clean just lifting this front row up. If you want to remove the entire seat, there are some additional bolts, as you can see. There's 2 right there, 1 right there, and then in the back, you're gonna need to pull back the actual like floor, if you will, and then this is just some padding that goes around the spare wheel, the spare tire. And then there are more bolts back here. And then you're gonna have 2 clips, 1 clip there and 1 clip there. Like I said, you should have access to everything you'll need by just unbolting, and then you can lift up and clean underneath.